According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, childhood obesity has more than doubled in children and tripled in adolescents in the past 30 years. And getting kids up and off that couch is key to helping them lose all that weight. In today's Second Opinion Reporter, Local 10 medical specialist Dr. Ari Soffer spoke with Dr. Oz, who is right here, about his latest efforts to get kids moving.
In 2010, more than 1/3 of all children and adolescents in the U.S. were considered overweight or obese. Today I had the chance to speak with Dr. Mehmet Oz about this growing epidemic.
What do you see as the best way to counteract that?
Dr. Oz says the answer lies in why kids are getting fatter: poor eating habits and lack of exercise.
The main reason I believe, after looking at all this information, is they're not spending enough time doing what we used to do, which is playing till it was dark outside and then being home for dinner.
And I want to know, how many of y'all feel healthy? How many of y'all feel positive out there?
In an effort to get kids moving in a fun way, Dr. Oz collaborated with Jordan Sparks, Michelle Obama, and New York rapper Dougie Fresh. With the help of a group of students in Harlem, they created a rap fitness video.
Now, if kids think the coolest thing they can do is play on a video game or sit back on the couch with a soda and watch TV, that's what they're going to do with their friends. If you think it's cool to dance, which is, by the way, I think the best activity for any of us to have because it's fun, it's cool, and it builds brain power. Like this, like this.
In the process of showing me how to do the Dougie, Dr. Oz explained that kids and even adults should be rethinking how they approach exercise.
Because if you can just do small things but all the time, it's more effective than running for 5 miles once a day.
Like me, Dr. Oz is a big proponent of technology, using smartphone apps to help kids get moving and better understand nutrition. At the end of the day, if something isn't done now to stem the tide of childhood obesity, these children face a future fraught with disease. With your second opinion, I'm Dr. Ari Soffer.
And children who are overweight or obese have a greater risk for adult health problems, things like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and a number of other cancers. So it's so important to get our kids up and moving.